Does insurance cover if you damage your own car? You can make an insurance claim for damage you caused to your own car if you have collision and/or comprehensive coverage. If you have a liability-only car insurance policy, however, damage that you do to your own car won't be covered. Also, even if you have full coverage, insurance won't pay for your own negligence. What happens when you get hit by a car with no insurance? If you cause an accident without insurance, you'll have to pay for all the damage to your vehicle out of your pocket. You could also be sued by other people for damage and injuries you caused them. Even if you buy car insurance the next day, that policy would apply only to accidents that happen after you buy it. Can I get one-day car insurance? As its name suggests, a one-day car insurance policy will cover you for 24 hours, but you can also find short-term cover for a few days, weeks, or even months. If you need cover for longer than this, you should consider taking out an annual policy and canceling it when you're finished using the car. What if I get pulled over in someone else's car? When your friend explains that they borrowed your car, the officer will write a ticket directed at the driver, not the vehicle itself. They may also request to speak to you to make sure that the car isn't stolen. This means your friend has to pay the ticket, and any applicable points would be on their license. Is it good to claim car insurance? A good rule to follow is to only make a claim in the event of a big loss and avoid filing it in case of little mishaps, such as a minor dent on the bumper. Accidents can occur anytime and anywhere. When it comes to accidents related to one's car, the insurance cover comes to mind. Is it safe to buy car insurance online? The short answer is yes, it is safe to buy or renew car insurance online. The long answer is yes, it is safe to buy or renew car insurance online if you buy it from an authentic source. What is the importance of insurance? Protection for you and your family. Your family depend on your financial support to enjoy a decent standard of living, which is why insurance is especially important once you start a family. It means the people who matter most in your life may be protected from financial hardship if the unexpected happens. What are the benefits of comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive coverage helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's stolen or damaged by something other than a collision. Comprehensive typically helps cover theft and damage from vandalism and natural disasters. Falling objects, fire, hail, flood, or animals. Thanks for watching. Consider like and subscribe to learn more.